Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to quickly show you how to use a Visa gift card on Shein. So let's get into the video. So open up Shein and log into your account. You can use the browser or your app version, either one is fine. So log into your account, you're going to be logged in. So once you've logged into your account here, so if you want to use your Visa gift card, you can use it for your purchases on Shein. So to do that, simply add an item to your cart so that you can proceed to checkout. So just add any item that you wish to purchase and then add it to your cart. And once it's in your cart, so simply click on checkout so that we can get to the checkout session. So once you've provided your info, your details, your other details, when you get to these payment method option here, simply select the credit or debit card option. All right, and then hit on place order. And then now what you're going to do, you're going to provide the details of your card number, your card, which is your Visa gift card. Since you're using a Visa gift card, so give details of your uh, Visa gift card, and then as well the billing address, you can use it that's associated with your Visa gift card as well. So that's how you can use your Visa gift card on Shein. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.